Welcome to our demonstration of Project E-cademy, which is a combination of e-learning and e-book system.
Project E-cademy contains 3 courses. These courses are designed specifically for the junior, intermediate, and advanced level of scheduling. Without further ado, we will briefly go over these 3 courses in the next 3 slides.
Our first course is designed to assist the junior and intermediate scheduler by providing lessons such as Introduction to Project Management and Scheduling, Project Initiation and Early Planning, Project Planning such as Work Scope, Schedule Models, Critical Path Methodology also known as CPM, Resource Management, and Cost Management, Project Execution. Finishing off the course with Project Monitoring, Control and Closeout. The second course is designed to provide advanced Microsoft project concepts and techniques, project management principles, and hands-on exercises. What you will learn: how to add custom fields that display planned versus actuals in Microsoft Project, how to create an execution report, how to display task table ordinal day columns, how to use contract completion dates also known as CCDs, how to use deadlines, which is an alternative to using leads and lags, how to add a custom field to determine duration days before a task is falling behind schedule, how to embed a Microsoft project in Excel, creating a near-critical filter, how to capture schedule visibility tasks also known as SVTs. These lessons will give you the edge in planning, executing, and maintaining integrated master schedules with complex requirements requested by your clients. The third course, called Project E-cademy Masterclass, is in its development stage as you watch this video. The lessons being developed will give you an introduction to Microsoft Project Online, Microsoft VBAs, Power BI, and entering the world of integrated program management, also known as IPM. Stay tuned and keep an eye out on when this course will be deployed in our online learning environment. At Project E-cademy, our goal is not to give you everything you need to know to build achievable schedules, make you a scheduling expert in just one day, or be the end of your professional development to your scheduling journey. Instead, Project E-cademy will provide Highbury's new blended e-learning initiative for all schedulers discussing topics of project and scheduling management, as well as integrating program management, which gives you the tools you need to deliver achievable schedules. We look forward to your enrollment in Project E-cademy, and we thank you for taking that next step in your professional development at Highbury Defense Group.